Kakanhun Menteri Kejelah Meghalaya kala menjur bantau ke Greater Shillong Waste Management Agency menteri rang ba kejelau konrad ki samau loong bakani ke agency kan tre kamkum kakanhun ka bapan bed bat penringkat ye ki jinglum bat ka jingpun khu ye ki nyut haboro ka than Greater Shillong.
Setting up of Greater Shillong Waste Management Agency and the registration as a society. As you are aware that Shillong is growing and urbanization is taking place at a very rapid pace. But the waste management and the overall collection of waste is being done by different agencies in different parts because of jurisdictions that are there in terms of the institutions that are present, and each institution having a jurisdiction of their own. Like the cantonment board has the jurisdiction in cantonment area, the municipal board has jurisdiction in municipal area, and beyond the municipal area, it is a sixth scheduled area, and the district councils have the jurisdiction. And hence, there has always been a lack in coordination and sometimes inefficiency, which has led to the management of waste not being at the level that one would desire. And hence, there was a strong need for a creation of a Greater Shillong Waste Management Agency. This has been done, of course, after consultation with close to about 100 localities in the Greater Shillong area, which is about 100 plus 190 square kilometers, if I'm not wrong. And all these discussions have taken place with different localities, and more or less, the Greater Shillong planning area is covering 288 kilometers, 288.5 square kilometers. So it's a large